Samsung launched its flagship Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus models in Barcelona earlier this year, and rumors of an early Galaxy Note 9 launch this year is also doing the internet rounds. But a new report suggests that Samsung is already working on its 10th anniversary S-series flagship, the Galaxy S10. According to a report by a Korean publication named The Bell, Samsung is going to refer to the Galaxy S10 with the code name Beyond as the internal moniker. Samsung, like many other tech companies, does have a code name set to refer to the product before its official name is revealed. Last year's Galaxy S8 was codenamed Dream, while the Galaxy S9 was codenamed Star. Apart from the name, the Samsung Galaxy S10 is reportedly going to sport what is being referred to as a fingerprint on display, FOD, that could be nothing more than a display with an embedded fingerprint scanner. Now, Samsung has been trying since the launch of the Galaxy S8 to include a display with a fingerprint scanner, but has failed to do so because of technical issues. Samsung, however, could take a different approach, as indicated by an earlier WIPO patent filing, that hints at the entire display working as a fingerprint scanner, which is far different compared to what every other manufacturer apart from Vivo, with the Apex, not the X21, is gunning for. As per the patent, Samsung's OS would authenticate upon tapping a particular app on the display to reveal different content, depending on whether a registered fingerprint was used to tap on it. For example, the Gallery app would hide private images if someone else tapped to open the app. To maintain a steady supply of FODs, Samsung is also likely looking at multiple vendors to be able to meet supply once it launches. Additionally, Samsung is also apparently throwing in a 3D face sensing module for security, rivaling Face ID on the Apple iPhone X. The Korean giant is also expected to launch the anniversary edition smartphone earlier than it generally does, with the expected date of arrival now being as seized in January 2019.